All right, Tutorial to Juice by Lizzo. We're going to start with a step and slide. Step, slide, step, slide, step, slide, step, slide. We're going to do that for about 2 8 counts. Then you're going to turn it to the side, and I want you to pop that hip, and while you do that, snap it. Snap it. 2 8 counts. And then we switch to the other side. Snap it. Snap it, snap it, snap it. All right, now we come to the chorus. We're going to ease down into a kind of a low squat, but while you go down, I want you to twist the feet. All right, and while you're twisting those feet, your hands are going to double time. Tap your thighs. So you're going to go double time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Bring it up quick. So, ain't my fault. And then you're going to step to the side. Step, step. Your hands go, tap the shoulder. So, tap, tap. That's it. Now, then you're going to jump a little hop. And when you hop, you're going to wave it up. So it's hop, wave, hop, wave. All right, so the whole chorus looks like this. Take it down. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. And wave, and hop, and wave. All right, you do that twice. And jump, and 3, and 4. Part 2, step out, shimmy the shoulders. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. And old school move, we do this all the time. And take it back for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Old school move. Wish I could remember what that's called. All right, in the middle there's a bridge. And she says, you better come get your man. I think he got lost in my DMs. This is what we're gonna do. Walk up. 1, 2, 3, hips, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and back. All right, so let's do that again. Walk it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and back it up. 4, 8. We're going to do that twice, and then you're back to your chorus. All right. I love Lizzo's message of embracing your curves and body positivity and no body shaming. So that's why I'm attracted to her music. Plus, it's super fun. I hope you enjoy the routine.